In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL to your Google Calendar. This is a super helpful trick if you want to keep track of events and schedules from different sources, seamlessly integrating them into your own calendar view. First things first, open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. This will take you directly to your calendar page where you'll see your schedule laid out for the week or month depending on your viewing preference. Now as you look on the left side of your screen, you'll see a section titled Other Calendars. This is the area where you can manage external calendars that you want to overlay with your main schedule. Next, you want to click the plus sign next to Other Calendars. This little button is your gateway to adding new calendar information, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options. From this menu, you're going to select from URL. Choosing this option will allow you to pull calendar data directly from an online source, which is perfect for adding an entire schedule from a website, public calendar link, or another Google Calendar. When you click on From URL, you'll be prompted to paste the URL of the calendar you want to add. If you've already copied this URL from another source, simply paste it into the provided field. If you haven't got the URL yet, make sure to grab that from the source calendar you wish to include. Once you've pasted the URL into the field, you'll see an Add Calendar button appear. Click this button to subscribe to the new calendar. By hitting this, you are essentially joining this calendar, which means that all its events will now automatically display on your own Google Calendar, along with your existing schedule, and there you have it. After subscribing, you should see the events from the URL start to appear on your calendar. It might take a moment to sync up, but once it does, it will be a smooth addition to your schedule. This is an excellent way to ensure you never miss an event, whether it's a work schedule, a friend's shared calendar, or a public event timeline. So remember, the key steps are to navigate to your Google Calendar, find the Other Calendars section, click the plus sign, select from URL, paste your calendar's URL, and then click Add Calendar. This simple process can keep your digital life organized and make sure you're always in the loop on all the events that matter to you. Enjoy managing your time even better with Google Calendar.